Hi everyone, it's Tanya of Rink Chic, and I'm excited because I'm a part of the Baking Spirits Bright collaboration hosted by Secondhand Tracey and I want to thank her for hosting this collaboration. And the link to her channel will be listed in my description box. Now, the objective of this collaboration is to show how and where we're decorating our kitchen for the Christmas holiday. And this is an area where I like to set up my coffee bar. I have some family coming in from up north and they're dropping by this weekend, so this was perfect because I want to set up a self-serve station so that they can help themselves. So back here I have some mints and some candy here and my little Christmas signage. And I put everything. This is like a cocoa station. I have cocoa packets here and some Folgers crystals there. The Keurig will be fully stocked. Got some candy cane stirs there. And I forgot to show you back here's my floral. I always like some type of floral arrangement. That's my poinsettias. And then I'm going to go back over to the tray here. This is one of my favorite trays. It's a red lacquer tray. And on it we have our marshmallows and some chocolate chips and some mints and gumdrops. And then up here, use my glammed glasses here. And put some more candy there. Already covered that. And then down here, I got these cute little mugs. This one says, "Get your jingle on." And this one over here says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." Got those from Dollar Tree. And then these pretty ones here, these were thrifted from Goodwill. They were 99 cents. They're so pretty and in perfect condition. And then I have this peace sign draped around my I'm going to move this apothecary jar where I have my powdered donuts, and there's some like little snacks there, some moon pies back there, and like some ho-hos in this apothecary jar so they can my guests can help themselves, for a quick cup of coffee and some stuff because they're always on the run, sightseeing and everything. So this is the only spot in the house that will get decorated for Christmas. I mean, the only part of my kitchen rather. And I want to thank Secondhand Tracey for hosting this collaboration. It's so much fun. And I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you, my subscribers. You guys are my friends, and I appreciate your support so much. I really do. And everyone's busy, and I thank you for taking time out of your day to support, to view my channel. And also any new people, I welcome you to join the Rink Chic crew. Subscribe to my Rink Chic channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new and upcoming videos, okay? Thank you guys so much, and you guys have a great day. All right, and let's keep rolling. Bye.